Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today's video is a little bit different. Over the last couple of weeks, I have been getting gifts in the mail because I am participating in a YouTuber's Secret Santa gift exchange, and I am so excited to finally open these presents. But let me first tell you a little bit of the backstory. About a year ago, I met an incredible group of women, all in the couponing space, that have really been incredibly supportive and encouraging of me and what I do on my YouTube channel. Nothing that I could say in this short amount of time would do any of them justice, but I want to introduce you to the other women that are involved in this Secret Santa gift exchange. Bree, the coupon queen, I believe she is the first one of the girls that I met. She is amazing. She is just a force. There is no stopping that woman, and I just love that about her. There's also Shop with Sarah, who I really enjoy watching her videos. She is so funny, and she has one of those laughs that when you hear her laugh, you can't help but laugh too. And then couponing with Kayla, her video intros are just the sweetest, and she has little pop-ins of her kiddos. Also just a sweet, sweet woman. Coupons with Alicia, who I think got started on TikTok. I don't do TikTok. They have not convinced me to get on TikTok yet, but I hear she creates some amazing TikTok videos. Her graphics are like on point. She's just impressive to me in all the ways. And last but certainly not least, Coupon Wins with Linz, who is just a ball of fun. I mentioned to her last night that I need a dictionary sometimes because she uses like that super cool like hip young person lingo that I just don't know because I'm too old. And so I have to like look stuff up to make sure I know what she's saying. So those are the women who are involved in this Secret Santa gift exchange. We exchanged names. It was a secret. And then we shared some of like our favorite things to help with purchasing gift items. So I want to say on my sheet, I said, my favorite color was blue and black. I liked, my favorite candy was those Flips milk chocolate like covered pretzels. I said I liked anything from my alma mater, which is Baylor. I love the TV show Friends. I love anything sarcastic or funny, and anything fuzzy. So I'm like the type of person that walks around like feeling clothes and robes and socks or whatever in the store, because if it's soft, I'm gonna want it. So that was the only clues that I gave whoever was purchasing items for me. And I don't know if I'm more excited to open the gifts I got or to see what the person I sent a gift to thinks of the things that I got for them. So without further ado, I have told my favorite little Christmas elf that he can be in this video with me, so he will be coming in and bringing me my gifts. This is my cutie. So I love this time of year. I really do. Lately it hasn't been cold here, so it's harder to get in the Christmas spirit. I don't consider myself a Christmas person because like Christmas people who basically by the time October comes around, like they're ready to bust out all their Christmas decorations and they're singing Christmas songs and they're decked out in full Christmas gear. That is my child. He loves, right?
Yes.
He just loves Christmas. He's a total Christmas person. So he is joining me in the video. Do you want to share with them your favorite thing about Christmas?
My favorite thing about Christmas is the elf on the shelf.
The elf on the shelf. Such a fun tradition. What did your elf on the shelf do this morning?
One of the elves wrapped the other elf up and made it look like a snowman.
Fun. Okay, gift time. All right, gift number one. And this is actually the first one that arrived. Hopefully I didn't just slice it open. Okay. Oh, there's one thing I should tell you, and I think I mentioned this the last time I did a gift exchange. As much as I love getting presents, because I feel like I don't very often anymore, I hate unwrapping gifts because I feel like I'm the center of attention, and I hate being the center of attention. Ooh, there's two things. Let's do this one first.
What is it?
What does it
Ooh,
say?
it says friends.
We love friends. Okay, so let me open it first and then I'll tell you. Oh, you guys, look! It's the Friends Central Perk couch. I love it. Oh, I love it. So when I first moved out on my own, I did not have cable because that costs money. So I literally watched my Friends DVDs on repeat probably for years. So I have a love of the TV show Friends. So thank you. I should go ahead and say who it was. I do know because we were all chatting on a Zoom call last night. Bree, the coupon queen, is the one who drew my name. So all of these gifts are from her. Okay, so let's look at the second thing in here. Oh, big coffee mugs. That was another thing that I said I liked on my list.
It's a coffee mug.
It's a coffee mug.
Does it have a cat? Oh, it has a cat.
What does it say?
I'm silently correcting your grammar.
I'm silently correcting your grammar, and sometimes not so silently. Oh, I love it. It's on both sides. Perfect. Also, something y'all don't know about me, my day job, my real job, my other job, I feel like I have so many. I edit grants for a large community college, so I do have to be on my grammar game. Super cute, love it. I will drink this or use this with my coffee while I'm working. All right, next gift.
Okay, next gift. Okay. Tear it open.
Ooh, it's the something fuzzy.
Fuzzy socks.
Fuzzy socks. All right, hang on. How do I get in here? Ooh. I love it.
These
Thank
are
you.
fuzzy.
But oh, and it has grippers so we don't fall down the stairs. I may have recently fallen down the stairs while holding a cup of coffee. That went everywhere. Oh, thank you, Brie. Very sweet. All right.
Another bag.
So she sent everything like via Amazon. So I'm assuming all of these gifts are from her. But if you're one of my friends and you sent me something that you're like, hey, that's totally not from her, it's from me, let me know because I literally just haven't opened anything that has come to the house lately.
Another Friends thing. It's a...
Oh my goodness, it's like PJs.
I was trying to figure out if it was PJs or a t-shirt.
Look.
And the pants.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how cute. I'm gonna be like all friendsed out. Super sweet.
With the Friends ornament.
This is so fun. I love it. All right,
Last box.
last box. While we're opening, why don't you tell everyone what your favorite Christmas movie is?
My favorite Christmas movie is the movie Elf.
Yeah, that's a really good one. I am like a sucker for those Hallmark movies that like are all the same and you totally know how they're gonna end within like the first 30 seconds of watching it, but I still love them. I can't help it. Oh, maybe this is the one I should have opened first. It has a card. Okay.
Says
Secret Santa.
Secret Santa.
From your Secret Santa. Hope your Christmas is very merry. No one deserves it more. Okay, so it says, Merry Christmas, Christina. I hope you and your family have a great one this year. In case you read this card first, I won't spoil the surprise. When you said anything sarcastic, I found you the perfect gift. Always love, Brie. Aw, So sweet. And this is like pretty perfect, right?
Yes.
I never correct your grammar, do I?
No.
All right, what's in here? Ooh. I love that we both just did that. Ooh, winterberry. Aw, it's all wrapped. How fun. You guys, do you see how my tree has, this was a gift from someone else. It's not something I bought. Do you see how we have no gifts? We're really behind on our gift purchasing for the year.
It's a box.
Ooh,
It says
peppermint sweet shimmer bath fizzer. You want to open? Go for
Yes.
it. I'm noticing a trend. Winterberry hand lotion. You know, we should just smell it, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to smell it on your hand or mine?
Your hand.
Okay. I didn't do very much. Ooh, that smells good.
Smells like winterberry.
Sarcasm runs through our family, apparently.
What do you want to open next? Let's go there.
So I went to mail my Secret Santa gift, and they said it was going to be $72 to mail. $72 to mail it. So I was the crazy person in line at a school pickup, throwing everything out of the big box I had bought, throwing it into a medium-sized box because I certainly wasn't going to pay $72 to mail a gift. And I was trying to do it all so fast before the kids got in the car. And I think I had a phone call going on, or I was trying to be on Instagram, and then one of my friends went by and was like honking at me. It was a crazy day. So I'm hoping mine arrives in one piece. Ooh. Whipped body butter. Rose water and aloe. Whipped body butter.
Is it for the body or made from the body?
You want to smell it? I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. That does smell good too. All right. What else we got? Oh, nail files. And okay, so I'm taking this as a hint. Do you not like my nails? Do you not think my nails are fancy? All of the girls in this group have like the fanciest nails that I feel like the ugly nail person of the group. So they actually convinced me to buy those like kiss nails, and I felt so fancy for like 2 weeks. Are you doing the last one? That is the last one, right?
Yes.
Bree, you did too much. Thank you.
Looks like maybe something inflatable, maybe?
Kate Spade, New York.
It's a bag.
This is for all my couponing. All the stuff goes in the bag.
What is that?
Thank you. I really appreciate it. If you have not followed these ladies, definitely go follow them. Check out all of our videos. Definitely check out Coupon Wins with Linz, because that was the gift that I purchased, and I cannot wait to see what she thought of the items. And I kind of gave her like a fun little challenge at the very beginning of the video.
And if you're not subscribed to her, make sure you go and click that subscribe button.
I love that. I didn't even bribe him to say that. We hope that your family has a very Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. I hope you just have a wonderful end of the 2021 year and an amazing start to 2022. Thanks.